What's going on YouTube? This is BXBomber708 back at you with another video unboxing. And today I have the Lenovo Legion Y70 and this is the gray color. This item cost me $499.99 plus tax. I actually had to purchase it from a website called giztop.com because they do not sell this phone in the States, so it had to be imported direct from China. All right. So let me go over some of the specs with y'all. We're going to proceed with the unboxing. I have not seen anybody in the States, as far as I can tell from a YouTube search, actually purchase this unit, unbox it, and actually try it on one of the US phone carrier networks to kind of see if the 5G works or if it's just 4G LTE. I also did some research on the various bands, and this should be compatible with the 5G spectrum on T-Mobile, which I currently have. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot, see what it's about. Okay, so let's go into the specs. So this has a 6.67 inch FHD plus OLED display with 144 hertz refresh rate. This is the 12 gigabyte, 212 gigabytes of RAM, 250 gigabytes of storage model that we have right here. This has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and the Adreno 730 GPU. This has a 50 megapixel front shooter. It also supports OIS. It also has a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel triple AI rear cameras and a 16 megapixel front camera, a 5100 mAh battery, and it supports 68 watts of fast charging. This has the ZUI 14 OS based on Android 12 OS. All right. This also has supports about 50 plus languages, and it's compatible with several bands. Right. The one that I'm most interested in is the 5G N bands that are compatible with T-Mobile. Okay. All right, so this also has efficient air cooling technology. They say is Lenovo Legion Y70 keeps cool by using a 5,047 millimeter squared heat dissipation vapor chamber and 10 layers of stereoscopic heat dissipation. And this also has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and a dual SIM standby mode. All right, so I think that's pretty neat. Again, it has a lot of other specs as well that we can, probably get into. It weighs about 209 grams, etc. It comes with the phone, the USB cable charger, manual, etc., right? But the interesting thing is, again, I got this from giztop.com, so if you're interested in getting one, they have the 8 gigabyte, 128 gigabyte model, the 12 gigabyte, 256 gigabyte model, and they have the 16 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte model. All right, and it's $100 off, so that's why I got it for $499. If I would have purchased this about 3 weeks ago, it would have been the $599 price point, but it's priced perfectly, and fortunately enough, I was able to order it because the screen cracked on my Asus Phone 5 that you guys see me unbox previously. So yeah. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, one thing you need to know, this has already been opened and it has been preloaded with the English pack, language pack, as well as Google Play. So this is not really a fresh unboxing because it's already been unboxed. Very similar to the Y700 tablet, Lenovo Legion tablet that I unboxed for you guys earlier on this channel. But let's go take a look. They did leave the shrink wrap on the front cover, which is interesting. It has the Legion. This is the 2022 Legion branding, which means there's no Y in the O in Legion. You see the Legion. If you look on this side, there's nothing there. If we look on this side, it just says the Lenovo, has a Lenovo badge at the top. It says Lenovo Legion. At the bottom is all the sensitive information that you guys don't need to see. And then on the back, it says Legion. As you can see, the seal has been cut. But if you look further, it says Qualcomm Snapdragon, Dolby Vision Atmos. Has a bunch of stuff in here in Chinese, 2 QR codes, etc. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. All right. There we go. It says Savage inside, stylish outside. All right, this right here looks like it's the power adapter and USB Type-C cable. And on this side looks like it's for the phone. All right, so let's do the accessories first. All right, so they do give me a US power adapter, which I think is very thoughtful, even though it's not for this market, but yeah. All right, it says Lenovo on it. All right, it says 68, it's a 68 watt charging adapter. Okay, here's your Type-C port right there. And then at the bottom, we have the USB Type-C cable. So it's Type-C to Type-C, Type-C male to Type-C male. Okay. All right, let's close that up. Okay, let's pull this tab to reveal the phone. Oh no. Oh, let's get to the stuff in here first. Okay, let's see what it says. Oh, you can actually use this as a stand. Fascinating, okay. I like that. All right, let's see what we got in here. We have some Legion documentation. Looks like it's in Chinese. Yep, so that is not helpful to me at all. Here is your SIM ejector pin. It says Legion on it. Here's some more documentation. I think it's upside down, yeah. All right, again, in Chinese. This is like a quick start guide, it looks like. Okay. And then it actually has a protector case. Doesn't look like it offers the best protection, but it's something to use until I'm able to order one from Amazon. So it's better than nothing. All right, so let's go ahead and put this stuff back. And this is the stand. I think this is the piece that you can convert into the stand for the phone. Which again is very interesting that they have that, but nothing that I would be using. All right. So I'm gonna use this pull tab, bring out the phone. Okay. Let's go ahead and drop this back in there. Savage inside, stylish outside. I love Lenovo Legion products. If you didn't already know, now you know. All right, let's move this aside. So here's the phone right here. It feels very svelte. It feels high quality, all metal, very thin. Let's pull this off. All right, here it is. Now it has the pinhole cut out at the top, something I gotta get used to. I haven't had a phone like that in some time. On the back, it has the sensitive information at top. But as you can see, here's the triple AI cameras with flash. Okay, on the right side, we have a volume rocker, it looks like, and a power button. On the left, we don't have anything. It just says Lenovo Legion right here on the side. And then on the bottom, we have a charging Type-C charging port. We have a speaker. Let's get that speaker. And then we have the SIM cover right here that you can poke the SIM ejector pin into. Top, there is just a microphone here at the top. And I think that's it. There's another pinhole here. I think that might be another microphone, looks like. Here's your front camera up top. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, oh, and then you have the Legion branding right here. First thing I'm going to do is put this in the case so that nothing happens to it while I'm handling it. Oh, that's a very, very snug fit. Wow. Okay, let's try that again. Very snug fit. All right. All right, let's see if it has some juice so we can power it on. Yeah, it does. All right, so this is the first boot of the Lenovo Legion Y70. There we go. And this is the home screen. Open the left one screen to experience the wonderful content. All right, whatever that means. Let's see the top. Here's the notification. Pull down. Oh. Notification pull down. Interesting. Okay, here's the recommended apps. I think all the apps are already here on the front screen, on the home screen. So I'm gonna adjust that. Is there a screen protector? Yeah, there's a screen protector on it too. Wow, that's really nice, really nice. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for this unboxing of the Lenovo Legion Y70. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below, and I will report back and let you know how it works on the T-Mobile network. Hopefully I get 5G on here with no issues. I'm definitely not going to get voice over LTE. That's fine, but if everything else works, I think we have a winner on our hands. For the price, $499, this feels like a high quality, top-notch, premium, flagship smartphone, like competitor. Like this thing feels solid. It's crisp. The screen, I mean, it's no lag. Wow, it's a shame that they don't sell these natively in the US, but you know, I got one, so we'll see. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.